Let's make a Easter shaker. I'm using some foam here. I'm going to create my shaker with that. I made this really pretty mix here, and we're just going to put that in there. I'm using some of that Dollar Tree snow mesh that I die cut with the dies. You guys can use my code Poochie10 to save 10% off your entire purchase with her. I'm going to put some glue to cover everything and make it nice and cute. This is so pretty, you guys. I love this die. It's so adorable. I can't wait to show you guys what I do with this. But this is just the shaker making. So the mesh was kind of hard to put. After I put some stuff to weigh it down, you can tell there, so that it can stick really well. I'm going to decorate this just really slightly using some ruffled tool actually. And I'm going to hot glue that. I love this tool so much. I love ruffled trim. And this is actually her edge flower die. I made these the other day, and I'm just kind of color matching them a little bit to see which ones I want to use. And I'm going to use these to embellish this. And I'm going to put 3. Form them within the ruffles. So snatch these dies, guys, from Scrap Diva Designs while you can. Be sure to use my code Poochie10 to save 10% off your purchase. And then these little bowls are from scrapbook.com. I layered 2 of them, one in white, one in gold cardstock, glitter cardstock. And I'm going to use those to put on the ears because, you know, we bohos over here. And I'm going to finish it off with a little rose cabochon from Happy Crafter Shop, guys. She has so many cute items as well, guys. You can use my code Poochie10 with her as well. And I'm just going to glue these in between here. And that's it, guys. That's how you put together a shaker. Super simple, super pretty. And I can't wait, again, to show you the project that I'm going to be putting on this. And then this is the Memorydex that I created. So it's the same thing, just has a base for the Memorydex. And I embellished it the exact same way with just different color paper.